In this video, you'll learn how to book apartment cleaning on Wecasa. By following these steps, you will successfully schedule a cleaning service tailored to your needs. Start by navigating to the website www.coa using your preferred web browser, or open the Wecasa app if you have it installed on your device. You will arrive on the home page where you can begin the booking process. Once the home page loads, look for the option to enter your apartment address. This is typically located prominently on the main screen. Fill in your address accurately to ensure the cleaning service can reach you without any issues. After entering your address, you will be prompted to select the cleaning services you require. Review the available options and choose the ones that best suit your needs. This step is crucial as it determines the type of cleaning your apartment will receive. Next, you will choose between one-off or regular appointments. One-off appointments are ideal for occasional cleaning, while regular appointments are suited for ongoing maintenance. Select the option that fits your schedule and preferences. Then you need to select the service duration. The minimum duration for cleaning is 2 hours, so ensure you choose at least this amount of time. This selection will help your cleaning professional manage their time effectively. After selecting the duration, you will see a comments section. Here, you can add any specific requirements or instructions regarding your apartment. This is an important step as it allows you to communicate your expectations clearly. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, review your selections carefully. It's advisable to book your appointment at least 2 hours in advance to ensure availability. If you require cleaning products, make sure to add that option as well and inform the service about any pets you may have. After confirming your booking details, you can complete the process. Following your booking, you will receive a confirmation message. Additionally, you will have the option to communicate further instructions to your assigned professional via chat, which can be useful for any last-minute changes or requests. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.